In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a custom Google font in your Content Builder content. By default, the Content Builder uses the styles that are set by your theme. So when you add a paragraph to your content, the font that's being used is actually specified by your theme. In some instances, however, you may want to change the look and feel of the text that you've added. So we've added a new way that you can do that, whereby you can leverage Google fonts. To change the font of your text, simply select it and then go to where it says Custom Font. And if you click this, you can see a number of fonts appear. However, if you do this for the first time, you might not see any fonts appear here because you won't have any set up. So what you need to do in that case is go to where it says Add New Custom Font. When you click this button, it's going to load up the new Google Font settings area like this. And what you can do here is you can choose from a range of Google fonts that you want to use in your content. To do that, you come down to the bottom where it says Add Custom Font, and then you can see from the drop down a list of fonts that you can use. Alternatively, you can go to Show All Fonts, and now you'll have a list of over 600 Google fonts that you can choose from. If you're not sure what font you want to use and you want to have a look through all of the fonts listed, what I suggest you do is go to where it says View All Font Previews. You'll then be taken to the Google Fonts page, whereby you can get a preview of everything you want, and you can search for the fonts that you would like to find, or just have a browse through every single font that you can see here and decide which one you want. When you've decided on a font that you like, you just need to get the name. We can see the name of the font is listed here. So if we liked, for instance, this Roboto font, we need to remember the name. We come back into the font manager, and where it says Show All Fonts here, we select R and go down to Roboto. We have all of these options. So if you want it to be light or dark, you can choose here. For the Content Builder, you don't need to worry about adding the size or line height or color or anything like that. That's really for a theme. That's not for the Content Builder. So you can leave that and just click Save. That's going to set the font up for you. As you can see, we have Roboto listed here in the list now. So now we can come back into the Content Builder and I can simply refresh this page. Now I have the font set up. I can choose a piece of text, go to Custom Font, and then click the new font that I just created in the Google Font Editor. If I then want to go and clear that font, I can click Clear Custom Font and it will revert back to the theme. And that's how you can choose from one of over 600 Google fonts for use in your Content Builder content.